Using rewards in Klarna Credit Check is a great way to incentivize responsible spending and payment habits. First, it is essential to understand what Klarna is and how it works. Klarna is a payment service provider that offers consumers the ability to pay for purchases in installments or after delivery. To use rewards in Klarna Credit Check, start by creating an account on the Klarna website or mobile app. Once you have an account, you can browse the rewards section, where you will find various offers and incentives. These rewards can range from cashback and discounts to exclusive deals and free trials. When you make a purchase using Klarna, you will earn rewards points that can be redeemed for discounts or other benefits. The key concept here is to make timely payments and keep your account in good standing to maximize your rewards. For example, if you make a purchase of $100 and pay it back on time, you may earn 10 rewards points. These points can then be redeemed for a $5 discount on your next purchase. Best practices for using rewards in Klarna Credit Check include making timely payments, keeping your account in good standing, and regularly checking the rewards section for new offers. It is also essential to read and understand the terms and conditions of each reward to ensure you know how to earn and redeem points. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most of the rewards program and enjoy the benefits of using Klarna for your purchases. Remember to always prioritize responsible spending and payment habits to get the most out of the rewards program.